Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, What the Vlog. Hi, my name is Jess, this is Diamond. You too? I'm not gonna land on my hat, sweetie. There's no such thing as a quiet bird. The highway construction site jackhammers with beaks, as I would call them. And unlike dogs and other domesticated animals like goldfish, they don't really have an understanding for don't bite the hand that feeds you. Then tricks like vacuuming, doing dishes, or bringing the trash outside might be beneficial for everybody. Or tricks like stepping up and callback training. They never call you back though. Okay.